sa Ronnie B.
Center.
Ang ganda. Pasyal tayo dyan mamaya. Magpa-parking pa kami. So, dito tayo guys, Ronnie B. Bronze Park. But, una nating puntahan ang Ronnie B. Bronze Park. Yung paliguan guys. Ang ganda dito. Meron din ditong Japanese garden. Punta tayo doon. Guys, may falls doon. May falls doon guys. Punta tayo doon. Ideal ang place na to guys for picnic. Ayan ho, nagpipicnic sila. Lalo na pag maganda ang
Some are
panahon.
students from universities here.
Ah,
From the Archaeology University.
okay.
Is that what it's called? People think that grows.
Mm.
People that are experts in that, they come here and learn more.
Walk tour sa park. Wow, ang ganda. Nakita niyo yun guys. Ang ganda doon. Ang bango ng bulaklak.
Don't know. Maybe the water comes up there in some way.
Ang ganda
But
guys.
the stone is not man-made.
Yeah, of course. I can see it. Water park pala siya guys. So, yan yung water park. So, dyan guys, ang Simcells Cup. Yan yung hotel guys. Where are we?
We are in Ronneby. It's the southeast part of Sweden,
Mm.
and it is known to have the most beautiful park in Sweden here.
Okay. Malayo-layo pala yun guys. Lakad tayo. Nasa taas pa yung Japanese garden guys. So walking muna tayo.
Not sure.
Kita nyo yun no? Astig nila. Nagbabike.
We are a bit wrong. Over there.
So guys, ito na yung Japanese garden. Na reserve na siya. So yun yung palibot niya. Ganda.
Malayo nang naabot namin. Wala masyadong tao. Kasi, ano siya, kailangan mo siyang sadyain. Japan na Japan talaga. Yung daanan.
You're faded också till
Sa likod kami dumaan, guys. Ito yung entrance.
Balik sasakyan na kami guys. So papunta na kami ngayon ng Öland. 1 hour and 43 minutes ang travel natin. So yun na nga guys. Pawis na pawis kami kasi sobrang laki ng park at medyo malayo yung Japanese garden. Ang problema pa doon is yung dinaanan namin is sa kalikuran pala, so exit yung napasukan namin. So babaliktad kami papuntang entrance.